Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Hilux headlights. First, park your vehicle on a flat surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is accurate and the fuel tank is at least half full for consistent weight. Next, measure the distance from the ground to the center of your headlight bulbs. Transfer these measurements to the wall, creating horizontal and vertical lines for precise alignment. Now let's find those adjustment screws. On the back of your Hilux headlight assembly, you'll typically find two screws, one for vertical and one for horizontal adjustment. You might need a Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm wrench, depending on your model. To ensure accuracy, cover one headlight with a towel or cardboard while you adjust the other. This helps you clearly see the beam pattern. With one headlight covered, begin fine-tuning. For vertical adjustment, turn the screw to lower the beam. At 25 feet, the top of the beam should be about 2 inches below your marked horizontal line. Next, adjust the horizontal screw to center the beam directly in front of your vehicle. Once one side is perfect, uncover it, cover the other, and repeat the entire process. Aim for a symmetrical light pattern. After adjusting both headlights, take your Hilux for a test drive on a dark, quiet road. Observe the beam pattern and ensure it provides clear visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. Remember, proper headlight alignment is crucial for safety. Regularly check your alignment, especially after any suspension modifications or heavy loads. Also, for a fresh ride, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.